good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. Today we're going to do a real quick, fast, and easy recipe. We're going to do a ham and cheese omelet, but we're going to use some smoked Gouda for the cheese. We're going to do it on my flat top grill, my Steelmadeusa grill. So if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and let's get started with a ham and cheese omelet. The supporting cast is as follows. Of course, we gotta have our eggs. Wouldn't be a ham and cheese omelet if it wasn't have our eggs. I got one whole onion cut up. I got some diced ham, and this is my smoked Gouda that I'll be grating over into the omelet. And of course, we gotta have my pink Himalayan sea salt and just some black pepper, a little bit of butter. So, hey guys, that's all the ingredients. It's a very simple omelet on the flat top. So let's get started with this. So we're gonna throw a little bit of butter here on the grill, just to get it nice and hot. And I'm going to add some of my diced ham up here in the top left hand corner here. There we go. We're going to cook that through just a little bit. And then over here, I'm going to put a little bit, well, I'm going to put all of my onion here. Down here, we're going to saute these off. Get them nice and caramelized a little bit before we add it to the omelet. And while I'm waiting for that to work, I'm gonna go ahead. I got 2 eggs in here, and I'm just gonna beat these up. Just like that. We're gonna set that aside until some of this other the onions get nice and caramelized and the ham gets a nice color to it. But this is just a very quick, simple omelet. Nothing special about it. But I did want to show off using the flat top grill as my cooking vessel, and how it's so versatile that you can do a lot of things with it. If you didn't know, this is made by Steelmadeusa, made right here in America. It turns your oven top or stove top into a flat top in a matter of seconds. I rarely take it off my stove top. I cook a lot of things on it, but it is really worth the investment. If you want one of these, just click on my link in the description. It'll take you right to Steelmadeusa. You get 10% off your purchase, and it definitely helps me out. It helps them out. It helps you out. I am an affiliate, so go ahead and click on the link and go on over there and pick you up a nice Steelmadeusa grill. As my ham is cooking down here, my onions are starting to get caramelized a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and pour on my 2 eggs here. It's just a 2-egg omelet, right, first of all. Just like that. Get everything out of there. So immediately that starts to bubble. As always, it's just, you know, cooking an egg. Make sure you get plenty of butter on there so it doesn't stick. As that starts to firm up, I'm going to immediately put on my onions. And we're going to throw in some omelet or some ham in the middle there. Just like that. And we're going to grate in some smoked Gouda. Right there over the top. Look at that. Ooh, that's going to be good. Simple as that. We're going to flip it. Just that simple. Look at that. On the plate it goes. Alright, so I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of Shred a little bit of smoked Gouda on the top of it, right here. Just a little finishing touches on the top. Hit it with a little bit of parsley right over the top. Look at that. Very simple meal. Very, very simple. Ham and cheese omelet with smoked Gouda on top and inside. Quick, fast, and easy. But you know I'm waiting for that bite. Ham and cheese omelet with some smoked Gouda on the flat top. If you want one of those grills, first link in the description, click on it. It'll take you right over to Steelmadeusa. You can pick up one of those grills, those flat tops, that turns your oven top into a flat top in a matter of seconds. Hey guys, if you liked the video, I know you're waiting for me to take that bite. Oh, look at this cheesy goodness. Look at that. Ooh. Oh man. Excuse the cheese. Hey guys, let me get this outro done because it's too good. I want to enjoy this. Hey guys, if you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video, guys. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.